Welcome to Tech Solution Z. In this video, I'm sharing my real-world experience with the Samsung 990 Pro NVMe SSD based on actual daily use and proper testing, not just box specifications or marketing numbers. This feedback comes after using the drive as a primary system SSD, running performance benchmarks, monitoring thermals, and checking overall stability. First, an important clarification before we go further. My Samsung 990 Pro is currently running in PCIe Gen3 mode, not Gen 4. That means the SSD is being limited by the platform it's installed on, so the speeds you'll see are naturally lower than Samsung's advertised maximums. This is expected behavior, not a flaw in the SSD. Despite that limitation, the drive still performs extremely well, which actually makes the results more impressive. In everyday usage, the 990 Pro feels instant. System boot times are short, applications launch immediately, and multitasking stays smooth even with heavier workloads. File operations like copying large folders, extracting archives, and moving disk images feel effortless. Even in Gen 3 mode, the responsiveness is clearly above older NVMe and SATA SSDs. Thermal behavior was something I paid close attention to, since high-end NVMe drives can heat up quickly. During normal usage, temperatures remain stable and well within safe limits. Under sustained workloads and benchmark runs, the temperature does rise, but it stays controlled and does not show aggressive throttling. With a motherboard heatsink or decent airflow, thermals are not an issue at all. Using Samsung Magician 9, the 990 Pro is detected instantly with full feature support. Drive health shows 100%, smart data looks clean, and temperature monitoring works in real time. The software also clearly reflects the PCIe Gen3 link, which is helpful because it confirms that the reduced speeds are platform-related and not a configuration problem. I ran performance benchmarks directly inside Samsung Magician. As expected, sequential read and write speeds are lower than full Gen 4 figures, but they're right in line with what a top-tier SSD should deliver on a Gen 3 interface. Random read and write performance remains excellent, which is what really matters for operating systems, applications, and gaming. The results are consistent across multiple runs, with no sudden drops or unstable behavior. Diagnostic scans were also completed using Magician's built-in tools. The drive passed without any errors, showing no bad blocks or early warning signs. This is important because long-term reliability matters more than peak numbers. So far, the 990 Pro behaves exactly like a premium, well-engineered SSD should. In real file transfer tests, including large video files and backups, the performance stays smooth and predictable. There were no stalls, no sharp speed drops, and no strange pauses. Even while limited to Gen 3, the drive maintains strong, sustained performance, which speaks well of Samsung's controller and firmware tuning. Power efficiency is another quiet strength. The SSD delivers high performance without unnecessary power spikes, which helps with thermals and overall stability. This is especially useful for systems that run for long hours or handle continuous workloads. To sum it up, even when running in PCIe Gen 3, the Samsung 990 Pro delivers excellent real-world performance, strong stability, and reliable thermal behavior. On a Gen 4 system, it will clearly go even further, but this test shows that the drive remains a top performer even when limited by older hardware. That's my real usage feedback and performance testing of the Samsung 990 Pro. This is Tech Solution Z, real tests, real limits, and real results.